So I've been doing a light crimp based on the instructions by Lee for the crimping die. It came undone, so I was just pumping up a bunch of rounds, and so I wanted to do a comparison of what I've got. And I have a crimped, this is a crimped one. You can see there's like, it's kind of squeezes the bullet. So put that there. Then we have a light crimp, really light, barely anything. Put that there. And here we have no crimp at all. It looks almost the same as the light crimp. So I posted the question in a 300 Blackout discussion, and after the fighting settled, kind of got two different sides. There's a side that likes the light crimp, and there's a side that likes no crimp at all. And you know, a lot of people said it didn't really matter. So I'm just gonna go with no crimp for now, and we're gonna fire, and we're gonna see what happens, and I'll compare the groupings with the light crimp, and we'll see what happens, and we'll see if we actually need a crimp or not. Thank you for watching.